In today's video from Sharp Help, we're looking at the out-the-box initialisation and first use of your Sharp XE-A217 cash register. First thing to do is to load the till roll paper. The 217 has a thermal printer, so you need thermal 58mm approved paper till rolls, and you load the paper so that the thermal shiny side is facing down. Gently close back over the platen arm. Feed the paper through the receipt slot and gently pop the printer cover back into place. So you're now ready to turn the machine on and perform the initialisation. The first option you get is to choose the language and region. So for English you simply press number 1 and the machine will perform a master reset. Once the reset's been performed, you can then program basics like the date and time and the receipt header. And after doing this, the machine will then be ready to either use straight away or to perform more advanced programming. So the first option is date. So the date format is day, month, year, and you enter it in 6 digits. So 2 for the day, 2 for the month, and 2 for the year. You can then arrow down and set the time. Once you've popped in your date and time, you press TLNS to confirm, and you then have the tax rate settings. So the till has 4 tax rates on it, and these can be programmed depending on the taxes in your region. On this demonstration, I'm just going to leave the taxes at 0, and you can do this when you initialise the machine as well, because there's an option to edit the tax rates in the programming mode. TLNS will take you to the next page. And this is where you set up the passcode. So the 217 no longer has a key lock for manager control over the different modes. It's all done by passcode. So all the passcodes are defaulted to 4 zeros. But if you want to prohibit certain operators from entering the report mode, you'd simply scroll down to Z1 and enter a new passcode and keep that to yourself. The key thing to remember is not to forget the passcode, because otherwise you'd have to reset the machine to enter the report mode. Once you've entered any passcodes that you want to set, press TLNS and you now got the option to program your receipt header. For this demonstration I'm going to leave the receipt header at the Sharp default, and we'll have another video on how to program your receipt header message, which you can check out on the Sharp Help YouTube channel. TLNS will save what you've done and take you to the next page. So we're now on total screen, which is the default normal sales entry mode. So you could now process a sale on the till or enter the programming mode to do more advanced programming, such as all your product buttons. The next thing to do, or the final thing to do, is to enter the memory protection batteries to save what you've done. Just pop the batteries here. There's 2 AA batteries. The battery message goes, you pop your cover back on. The machine has now been initialised and is ready to use. For more information on the Sharp XE-A217 and other Sharp cash registers, please visit sharphelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.